Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna be opening up and taking a look at the Christmas Mochi Pack. I ordered this from Fidgettoys Plus. And this was a mystery to me, so I don't know which ones are in here. But I'm excited to open this up and take a look. Alright, it looks like there's some really cute ones in here. Let's start off with this little elf. Oh my gosh, mochis are like, if you don't know what a mochi is, they're kind of like these squishy fidget toys. They're kind of made out of, I think, a rubber. Oh my gosh, but they're super soft and like squishy. Oh my gosh, that's really cool. This will be an elf. It's got some brown hair. They're also really stretchy. That's super funny. Let's see. Really like this so far. So next up, oh my gosh, we got a Christmas stocking. Oh no, I dropped it. Oh my gosh, look how cute its little smile is. We got a red and white Christmas stocking. Super stretchy. Super squishy. So far, this is adorable. Christmas mochi pack. I love it. These do have, like a chalky feel to them. So they do kind of leave like chalk on the surface, but it will wipe off. Oh my gosh, next up we got this Christmas tree. This is so cute. Wow, I really like this Christmas tree. Let me get scissors for this package. Plus it's not wanting to open up. There we go. Wow, this one's quite large. Here's the Christmas tree. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. Let's see. I don't know why. We got some little holes here. Doesn't really do anything though. Super stretchy. Definitely soft and squishy. This one's a little more sticky than the other ones. Yeah, I think they just put a little coat of chalk so it's not super sticky on these. Okay, next up, we got a candy cane. This candy cane looks cute and funny. Oh my gosh. Here's the candy cane. I don't know why it has a pink dot right here. Oh, maybe it's supposed to be a nose? I don't know. That's kind of weird. Well, anyways, here's the candy cane. It's only got 3 red stripes. It kind of looks like a gummy worm. It's kind of really funny. Its eyes remind me of something that'd be from Adventure Time. Definitely a mochi. Okay. Next up, you get quite a bit of mochis in this Christmas mochi pack. And these are quite large. I like the size of these. Here's a snowman. That's pretty cute. Its eye's a little wonky. That one is. Oh, it looks like it rubbed off. Maybe it didn't get on all the way. But it's got a carrot nose. It's got these little hands. Scarf. Super stretchy and squishy. Cool. Okay, last but not least, we have Santa. Let's take a look at Santa here. Oh my gosh. It's hard to see he does have a beard, but it's also the same color as his skin. It's just white, so it's a little hard to see the separation on camera. I like his pom-pom hat. pretty cool. So here is the Christmas Mystery Mochi Pack from Fidgettoys Plus. So this is what you would be getting. It's a set of 6. These are pretty good size. Here's my hand for scale. So if you know someone that likes mochis, they may like this Christmas Mochi Pack. Now it's time for me to pick out my favorite one. Wow, these are pretty cute. I think my favorite, these three are probably my top 3 favorites. But if I had to pick one out of these, I think I would choose the Christmas tree. It just looks really great, and it's super stretchy and like super squishy. The Christmas tree mochi is going to be my favorite for this video, but let me know, guys, which one is your favorite? Do you like the elf, Christmas stocking, Christmas tree, snowman, Santa, or the candy cane? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye.